Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hello Cars. And as you have seen in the title, the topic which I am going to talk, many people have question about it, is which is the best transmission, manual or automatic. So we will first see what's a manual setup and what's an automatic setup. So let's go. And so it's a manual car. Let me show. So it's a manual transmission, and in my manual transmission, basically, what is it that we have gears, and another thing is that here is the rave line. If you can see, there is the rave line. Sorry, the camera is very shaking, but you can see this car raves up to 6,000 RPM, as we can see. So it's the best rave line for this transmission. Means the best speed line for it. So in manual, basically what is, just press the clutch and change the gear. Clutch means basically it's the thing to operate the gear from one shift to second shift smoothly. If you will not use clutch, it's very hard to shift the gears between, and you means it's just a simple transmission, push and shift, push and shift, push and shift. So whenever you have to change the gear, push the clutch and shift it, just that easy. But the mainly problems which are faced in manual transmission is that in cities it's not at all convenient, because in stop start traffic, just pushing every time the clutch is absolutely a fact, because many cars also has a very heavy clutch. So because of that, uh, every time operating the clutch becomes a very problem. So a key alternative to it is an AMT, automated manual transmission, or automatic transmission, as we can say. In it, basically what is, with the transmission there is a brain fitted or an MCU type, in which the transmission automatically identifies what's the proper rave line for it, and at that time, without operating the clutch, the car shifts from one gear to second gear, means there is no clutch in AMT, and you have to not shift it with your own hands. So the profit of that is that the city cruising becomes very easy, because you don't have to push the clutch, you don't have to change the gear, the car will automatically do itself. Means one, the manual has to operate with our own brain by using the clutch, and the automated AMT, as we can say. In transmission also there are a lot of types like CVT, IMT, but these main are two main rivals, manual and automatic. So we are talking mainly about it. So yes, in but in highway, automatic transmission may give some problem, because it just has its own brains, it doesn't uses your own brain, so it could be little bit inconvenient in highway, but in city it's an absolute boon. So the profit is that in city communication very nice, and the profit of manual transmission is that you got better performance, means not that much, but better performance and better mileage, the two key things which many people go with. But with AMT you get conveniency, so it's the main profit of AMT. Now I have told that the advantages of manual transmission are its performance and mileage, but how much does it differs? So in performance, as we can see, not that much, but 2-3 milliseconds slow will be the automatic as compared to manual, because manual uses your own head, so it's very convenient for us. But in city, AMT is very convenient to use. So yes, if you are cruising in cities like Mumbai, Nashik, uh, other cities, sorry, so you would better opt for automated transmission, because it's very nice and slick to use. Now the disadvantages I have told, that it's not that slick to use in highway, and the advantages are the conveniency. And again, the things which comes in the disadvantage means the mileage and the performance. Now in mileage also there is not that much difference. So if for example, if a car giving you mileage of 10 kilometers per liter, a manual car, so In that same condition, the automated transmission car will give you almost 9.8 or 9.7. So just that much difference. So just that much difference is there. So yes, now which one should go for? So the one thing which you have to take in criteria, if you want the factors like mileage, performance, so you could better go for manual. Because in highway the manual is absolute boon, because it shifts with your own mind, so it's very easy and slick to use. But in city traffic, again and again holding up the clutch becomes a faff. So yes, if you have the criterias like like performance and mileage, you could go for manual transmission. Not that much. Performance figure is also down by 1 second, and in mileage only 1.2 milliliters. Just that much difference. And if you are communicating through heavy traffic cities like Mumbai and other, you should go for an automatic eye closing, because uh, automatic is very convenient to use. You don't have clutch to put on leg on, and the car will automatically shift on its own at the best rave line. So yes, uh, and also in automatic also there are lots of different options. uh, yes, and sub-automatics also. So yes, uh, if you have the criterias like conveniency, heavy traffic in your area, if it will be the heavy traffic one, so you could better go for automatic transmission, because you don't again have to put legs on your clutch. So yes, if you want convenience, you could better go for an automatic, and if you want performance and mileage, you could go for a manual. Just as that simple. So take in mind what criteria do you want, and according to that choose your car. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, you could give it a like. If you don't like it, you could give it a dislike. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.